In this tutorial, I'll show you how to obtain your Discord client token to connect your account with ForwardMsg. On the ForwardMsg website, let's start by selecting the option to add a new Discord account. To do this, we'll need to obtain your Discord client token. Open the documentation page in a new tab. Method 1. Using a script, scroll down the page and copy the script provided. This script will help us extract your client token. Now, open the Discord website. Press Ctrl+Shift+I or F12 to open the developer tools. Navigate to the console tab. You can clear the console by clicking the button here. Now let's try pasting the script. However, in Chrome, pasting scripts directly might be blocked. To enable it, type "allow pasting" in the console and press Enter. After that, you'll be able to paste the script and hit Enter to run it. This will return your Discord client token, which will appear between quotes in the output. Copy the token, then return to ForwardMsg to finish adding your Discord account. Method 2. Back on the Discord website, open the developer tools again with Ctrl+Shift+I or F12. This time, go to the Network tab. In the Filters bar, select Fetch XHR. Refresh the page. Once the page reloads, select any request. In this example, I'll choose the profile request. On the right-hand panel, go to the Request Headers section and look for the field called Authorization. This field contains your Discord client token. In fact, this token will appear in almost every request. Copy the token, then go back to ForwardMsg and complete the setup by adding your Discord account. And that's it. You now know how to easily retrieve your Discord client token.